Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Brain Breaks. On April 15th, it is World Art Day. I thought that it would be fun to create a piece of abstract art inspired by the artist Kandinsky, specifically his painting called Squares with Concentric Circles. Here's a picture of it. Kandinsky was one of the first artists who painted abstract pieces of art. Abstract artists show what they feel and think instead of what they see. And they use colors and shapes to show their emotions and ideas. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Let me show you what the supplies you'll need, and then we'll get started. You will need some kind of paper. Here's a piece of paper. You also could use a piece of paper that has something on the back. That works just fine. You'll need a straight edge. You could use a ruler or even the edge of a book or an edge of a piece of cardboard. You will need a pencil and then something to color with. Colored pencils or markers or crayons. Here's my crayons. Now that you have your supplies, the first thing we need to do is make a square out of our piece of paper. One of the easiest ways to do that is to take your paper and you're going to fold it in a triangle. And you want to make sure that the corner down here is in a point, and you're going to match it to the edge of the paper here, and then you're going to fold it. Once you do that, there is a straight line here that you're going to need to cut. To make it easier, you could take your straight edge and a pencil and draw a line. Then you want to take your scissors and you want to cut out that rectangle so that it is no longer a piece on your paper. If you already have a square of paper, you won't need to do that. The next step is that you want to make 4 squares. The way you do that is you're going to fold your paper in half once, make a nice strong crease, open that up, then you're going to fold your paper the other way, just like that. Don't worry if your squares are not perfect. They don't have to be. As you can see from my paper, I now have 4 squares. Now in each one of those squares, we're going to draw concentric circles. You're probably wondering what concentric means. All this is circles around each other with the same center. So with your pencil, you're going to draw your first circle, your second circle, third circle, and fourth circle. So in each one of your squares, you want to draw those circles. And so on. Once you've had all the circles drawn, then you can start coloring. Think about colors that make you feel warm and cozy, or colors that make you feel about spring, and you're going to color in each one of these a different color. Don't forget to color in the square as well. So here I go. I'll color my first one in blue, and then maybe yellow. Yellow makes me think of daffodils and makes me feel like spring is coming. And then I'm going to color in another color. Go for it. You can use markers or crayons or colored pencils or even paint. I'll see you back here when I'm done. I hope you enjoyed drawing yours. I had so much fun coloring in my circles, and I really feel like an abstract artist now. Here's a picture of mine. Thank you for joining me for Brain Breaks. I hope you enjoyed learning about abstract art. I will talk to you soon. Bye.